Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this model, which allows you to have easier access to your bed, where you get a bed liner, got an outlet, lights, hooks and doodads hold your gear down, measurements on the gate, and they will go up and down automatically, which is pretty handy. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards, side view camera with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we got this lovely black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the vehicle in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. With that B&O sound system, we got a carpeted interior with floor mats, with a flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage. We got rear vents, heated back seats, USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seat for the 3 drivers, auto stop start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 47 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We do get this main menu, which has my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. We got the mobile office package that does come equipped with the interior work surface where you can put your phone, laptop, paperwork, meal, whatever you like. And also you do get more storage underneath, just as a normal center console. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated and cooled front seats, with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, park sensing you can turn on or off, and Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Looking down here, we have our hazards and traction and a nice 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our audio now, we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM capabilities. Got your phone control, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC04732, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.